Hey EHS, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of registering your account to buy homecoming tickets. So you're going to come to this link, which will be sent out on Schoology. Click here to register an account. Put in your school email address. Make a password. And then you're going to register. Finish filling out all of these required things. Once you're done doing that, hit add a person. No, I do not have a key. Then you're going to do the district. Put in your student ID and your birthday. Once you get to sports, you're going to hit go. Register for the person that you are. Scroll all the way down to homecoming dance tickets. Hit register. Then you're going to start the process of buying them. Review data. And then you're going to start to check out.